Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hi everybody, I'm Oren from Intellithings, and this is RoomMe, up there, the sensor. RoomMe identifies who are the specific people in a room. It's not a motion sensor, it's a sensor that knows exactly who is in the room by either tracking your phone or your smartwatch. Now, when someone enters a room, RoomMe will change the room settings according to that personal preferences. It can be light, it can be temperature, or music. As you can see, my partner here just entered the living room. The light turned red. The Sonos speaker started sounding music for him. For some reason, he likes classic music. And the thermostat on the wall changed the temperature to 80 degrees because, hey, we are in Vegas. Now, my guy is going to move to the kitchen. Let's see what's going to happen there. So once again, we are in the kitchen and light becomes red because again, my fellow here, he likes red color. Now looking back in the living room, you see that RoomMe knows not only if you're in a room, but it also understands when you're out of the room. So everything back in the living room is set back to whatever default configuration you want it to be. So that's your opportunity to set devices in the previous room to an energy saving mode. Now another cool feature that we now have with RoomMe is the integration we've done with all the voice assistants. So Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Let's see how it works. Alexa, ask location sensor who is at home.
Jack and Shahar are in the kitchen, and Susan is in the office.
Hey Siri, who is at home?
Jack and Shahar are in the kitchen, and Susan is in the office.
So, as you can see, by using this feature, you're able to check on your children. You're in the office, you can ask your voice assistant who's at home, and you'll know if your children are back. If you have an old parent living alone, you can check on them, see if they're okay. If you hear your voice assistant telling you that they've been in a room for too long, that could be a red alert. So RoomMe is available either on our website, www.intellithings.net, or on Amazon. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.